Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today here in the Dungeon Studio I will show you the next goodie that I got for my shop. And what a shop is not a shop without a shop vac. That is what I have here, a shop vac from Craftsman, not from shop vac. And all the things that you have seen so far, me presenting it to you, they are not sponsored, okay? I bought all of them out of my own money, like this thing and everything else. Okay, I work hard for the money. Let's get into it and see what we have here, okay? It's a shop, it's gonna be dusty, you're gonna have stuff flying all over the place. You can use it as a dust collection. You can use it to clean up the shop like it's intended to. You can get some hose attachments, and because it has a very high volume of air, you can get the air from your shop and send it outside, which I will probably do because I don't really have a lot of ventilation here, so I'm gonna have to do something about it. Okay, I'm gonna do my own ventilation. And another thing that I like about this thing and why I choose to go with this particular model is that the motor of it, okay, the electric engine comes off of it, and you can use it as a dust blower, okay? You don't have to lug around the entire thing if you want to blow something away. You can just take the cover off and use that as a dust blower, okay? Dust, leaves, whatever. It's also very high capacity. It's a 6.5 amp, 16 gallon or 60 liter machine. It has a 3-year warranty, and it can work on both dry and and wet surfaces, okay? It can vacuum dry and wet. Do not use the leaf blower option to suck in wet stuff, okay? Just when it's attached to the big bucket. Okay, you have some attachments here. Okay, these are some extensions for the hose probably. There it is. Okay, you have a leaflet inside. Okay, it will show you how to disassemble it, how to maintain it, how to clean the filters and all that. If you want to see a video about cleaning the filters or whatever, let me know in the comments below. I will tell you. Let me know what kind of shop vac do you have, if you already have one, and why you choose it. Let's exchange ideas, okay? Okay, I like this. This is a cable management thing that it has. It's really cool to have it. Also, it should be able to store all of its stuff on board. That's another thing why I chose it, because it's easy to handle. Okay. It should be able to, Okay, so you have this little red button here. You press the button, and there you go. This is the leaf blower, okay? You put these things on, no, these things, yeah. Cool. This is what it looks like when you take it off, okay? Apparently it doesn't take out the internal sponge filter. Okay, so that's what I wanted to say. And okay, so this is screwed in. It has its own little filter in there, so you don't suck dust into the motor. This is a fairly heavy, but for a high power, I was expecting it to be maybe a little heavier. It's okay. It's a nice big knob here to turn it off and on. Okay, you can use your hand, you can put your legs on it when you're really busy. Okay. You have a little opening here that you take it off, and then if you have liquids inside, they're just gonna flow out. Okay, it has a gasket inside. White plastic and a gasket. I don't know, rubber or silicone. Now I'm trying to put this back on. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. Now, how do we take off? Okay. Upwards. Okay, so you lift here and it just clicks off. Okay, this is the main filter. This is a HEPA filter that will not let dust and bacteria, maybe even some viruses to go through. That's, like I said, you can use it as an air filter. Okay, so it comes off. If I'm not mistaken, it has a 2¼ inch, let's see here, 16 gallon, 12 amp, 2.5 inch or 6.3 centimeter cleaning tools. Okay, so if you're shopping for attachments for it, look for 2.5 inch or 6.3 centimeter tools that will go with it. Okay, you have a hose. This hose is, well, I guess it's fairly long, but I am probably gonna need a longer hose or an extension of this one, because like I said, if I want to take the air from the shop and blow it outside, I will need a longer hose. Okay, so these tubes are smaller at the tip and wider at the end, so that it can go on the tube and then go with it. Okay, if you want to know why I need a much longer hose than this, go back, watch my video where I present to you my shop, and you will see why. Okay. You have this little attachment to vacuum the corners. You have this little attachment that can also go in the corners, or you can add it to your blower like this. Well, probably one of these probably. Yep, it fits like that. And then the air comes in, and when it's blowing, it will actually increase a lot the speed of the air. You can get a very, very high speed air jet out of this. You can probably get some tools to attach to it when it's blowing to actually paint with it. You can use it as a paint gun. Okay, you have this attachment, and we have this one. This is really good for wet carpets. Okay, when you go like this, it absorbs because it has a really big power. It will take that water and put it in this bucket right here. Okay, this is a really nice attachment to have. This is an adapter. Let's see here. It says FV8311 04.1 and then PPGF plus GF5. If you guys know what that means, let me know in the comments below, because I have no idea. Okay, we have another filter sleeve. This is actually a good thing to have, because let me see, does it go on this filter? Or do I have to buy a different one? There are those pool filter socks that you can put on this. Yeah, I'm gonna need a different one. So this is some kind of filter, but I don't know where exactly it's gonna be. Okay, I have a really weird attachment. I see it has a filter, and then it has a hook that goes on the hose. Probably you put it in a really wet, in like a puddle or something, and then it sucks up the water and put it into the bucket. Let me know in the comments below if I'm right. And you have the caster wheels, so you can move around the bucket really easy. That's what I've been looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4 caster wheels that go on the bucket, and then you can just lug around the bucket really easy without any problem. I'm not planning on doing wet stuff down here, so should be fine. Okay, it goes on like this, and you also get these screws to hold them in place. Okay, so that's one thing that I don't like. I would have liked these to just click in place and that's it. But you're gonna need the screwdriver to screw these in. I'm gonna get the screwdriver and do it, but not on video because you guys are not here for that. So that's about it. This is what the vacuum looks like. Okay, the shop vac. You have all these things that come with it. You can do a lot of things with it. It's very versatile. It's 2 tools in one, well actually more than 2 in one when you have other attachments that can come with it. Let me know what you would use it for, how you would use it in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive, and come see me in the next video. Thanks and bye bye.